Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to send money to Bangladesh using Western Union. You can send money online with the Western Union website or app, or in person at a Western Union agent location. If you send online or with the app, sign in or create a free Western Union profile, then verify your identity with your passport or government-issued ID. Choose Bangladesh as the destination and enter the amount you want to send. You can also check the fees and exchange rate before you continue. Select how your receiver will get the money: cash pickup at local agents, directly to a bank account, or to a mobile wallet like bKash. Provide the receiver's full name exactly as it appears on their ID. If sending to a bank account, enter their bank name, account number, and branch details. Pay for the transfer using a debit card, credit card, bank transfer, or cash at a Western Union location. After you send the money, you'll receive a Money Transfer Control Number, MTCN. Share this number with your receiver so they can track or collect the funds. Your receiver in Bangladesh can collect cash at an agent location by showing their ID and the MTCN, or the money will be deposited into their bank account or mobile wallet. Thanks for watching this guide on sending money to Bangladesh with Western Union. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials.